In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a community profile in Figma. A Figma community profile is your public presence inside Figma's community. It's where other designers can discover your work, follow you, and explore any files or resources you decide to share. Setting this up is quick, but it's worth taking a little care because it helps you build your reputation and connect with other creators. First, open Figma, and make sure you're on the main dashboard, not inside a specific design file. At the top left of the screen, you'll see a small profile icon. This is usually your avatar or initials. Move your mouse to that profile icon and click it. This will open a small menu with options related to your account and profile. In that menu, look for the option that says Create a Community Profile. The wording may be very similar, and it will usually appear alongside other account-related options. Go ahead and click on Create a Community Profile. If you already have a profile, Figma may instead show options to edit or manage it. But if this is your first time, it will walk you through the setup process. Once you've clicked that option, Figma will guide you through a series of on-screen prompts. These prompts are there to help you define how you appear in the community. Typically, you'll be asked to confirm or choose a display name, add a short bio, and possibly upload a profile image. Take a moment to choose a name and description that clearly represent who you are and the kind of work you do. This helps others quickly understand your focus and interests. As you follow each prompt, read the instructions carefully and fill in the fields that make sense for you. You might also see options for linking to your website or social profiles, or for managing how your work appears publicly. You can skip non-required fields for now, but remember that a more complete profile tends to attract more engagement. When you've finished going through the prompts, confirm or save your changes. Figma will create your community profile based on the information you provided. From this point on, you'll be able to share files to the community, and other users will be able to visit your profile to see what you've published. That's all it takes to set up a community profile in Figma. Click your profile icon, choose to create a community profile, and then simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete your setup.